goal with this activity is to work on expansion in the upper body as well as improve your hip mobility, in particular hip extension. Here's what you're going to do. You want to get yourself set up with a pad or a pillow of some sort. You want something to put your feet on because you're going to get into a headstand position. So the position that you want to be set up is basically the number 7 or an upside down L. Arms are going to be not out by your head, but below your head in this position right here. And you want your pelvis atop of your upper body. Just like so. Make sure you push through your arms so you relieve the stress on your head. Now from that position, you're going to be lifting your legs up and down to improve the hip mobility. As you're lifting your leg up, you want to breathe in through your nose. As you're bringing your leg down, you want to breathe out through your mouth. The rate at which you move the legs is going to be at the pace of your breath. You also want to make sure that as you're lifting, your leg goes straight into your body and not outward. It's going to look like this. So I'm going to set up. Pelvis is over the head. Push through the arms, get a little bit of a tuck. Lift your legs and breathe. You'll notice I'm keeping the tuck throughout, or at least trying. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.